Coincidence happens to have something to do with the title of Ange Humphrey's next song. Angie?
Well, hello there, good old friend of mine. You've been reaching for yourself for such a long, long time. There's no right or wrong, no need to explain. Just an open door for you to come in from the rain. It's a long road when you're all alone, and a man like you will always choose the long way home. There's no right or wrong, I'm not here to blame. I just want to be the one who keeps you from the rain, from the rain. And it looks like sunny skies now that I know you're alright. Time has left us older, wiser. I know I am. And it's good to know your best friend has come home again. And I think of us like an old cliche, but it doesn't matter, 'cause I love you anyway, coming from the rain. Sunny skies. Now that I know you're alright. Time has left us older, wiser. I know I am. Hello there, friend of mine. And I think of us like an old cliche, but it doesn't matter, 'cause I love you anyway, coming from the rain, coming from the rain, coming from the
Angie, that was really great. Come on over here. You're learning how to sing, you know that?
It's about time, don't you think? Isn't this exciting? What a place! What excitement!
Well, I'll tell you, everybody at home is getting a chance to see this place, and everybody here is having a chance. And when I first walked in, it turned me on. It was great.
There's going to be a lot going on here tomorrow, too. A lot of excitement here tonight and tomorrow.
Well, at 9:30 in the morning, for those of you who don't know, at 9:30 in the morning, you come in here and you start registering. And in the first 2 hours of tomorrow, somebody's name is going to be picked as a winner of a $1,000 shopping spree.
We can't get in that contest either, can we?
No.
Well, listen, coming up tonight is one of my very favorite singers.
Could her name be Hazel Miller?
It could indeed. And, she's been working downtown at the Sealback, and she doesn't get around much anymore. This is a clever segue here. Be patient with us. I mean, we've only been working.
Here is Hazel Miller singing I Don't Get Around Much Anymore. Hazel.
Thank you.